Hello, welcome. My name is Bityard. I'm the founder and lead coach at A+ Trading Hub. Today I want to share with you a well-proven strategy which so many successful and profitable traders use. But before we continue, I want to let you understand that this is not a kind of a hack or a kind of a trick that you apply in the market and it will work like magic. If you think this is an hack, then this video is not for you. Then also, if you are a newbie in Forex and you want to learn the definitions of Forex or how to open a trading account with a broker, then this video is not for you. This video are for those who are already trading and maybe who are struggling, people who are losing money, people who are struggling to get a trading strategy that they can easily follow and have entries and exit without second guessing themselves. So if you fall within this category of traders who are struggling and losing money every day, I want you to pay very attention. I will be very brief, and very straightforward. So grab your notepad, also grab your pen. You'll be taking down some notes and you'll be jotting down some stuff. I hope you are ready to learn. Alright, so let's start. Now, looking at this chart, you will agree with me that price is in an uptrend. Why am I saying this? Because I see a series of higher highs and higher lows. These are series of higher highs and higher lows. You know, to have a clear uptrend, you need to see a series of higher highs and higher lows. So let me just draw this out for us to see. You know, when you want to start trading, you need to plot out your key turning points, which are the supply and demand zones, or you can call it the support and resistance zones. I don't see my turning points as just a particular price line, but I see them as zones. So I'm just to plot this real fast. So you have noticed I just plotted my support and resistance zones here. This is a turning point here. That is why I marked that point. Here we have 1, 2, 3 and a cluster around here, and I've plotted my trend line tool also. So this is a clear uptrend, and we notice the trend is about to change from here. See, price approached this resistance, came back down again, then went up and retested that same level. That means this level here, it's a valid resistance. So let's see what price did from here. See, price is pushing down, retested that zone again and pushed down. So since price is retesting that zone, I will consider this point a key turning point, because we now see price is struggling around here. So I will do this. This is what I do when I'm trading. So I will now do this because we have here price testing here and is unable to break. Test again, and this is the fourth time it's testing. So I'll mark out that zone, knowing that that is a valid reversal zone. So I'll watch out and see what price will do there. So let's continue and see what price is doing. Boom. I want you to notice something here. From here, price, there was a false breakout, price came back, went back within this zone here, went again, retest, dropped down, made a new low. Now from here you have noticed there is a change of trend, because this was the previous swing low, price closed below it and formed a new swing low. And it didn't just form a new swing low, it went up with these 3 points you have here, point 1, 2 and 3. You can start marking out your trend. Then using this trend line, this is how it's going to help you better time your entries, know when to enter, take a trade, maybe buy or sell, and also when to go out of a trade. So with these three spots now, 1, 2 and 3, I will start plotting my trend line. So let me pick the trend line tool and draw it over there. Okay, so I pick the trend line tool and plot this from here. So this is how you think in probabilities when you are trading, and you need to plan ahead and position yourself when you are trading. Okay, so we now have this. Let's see how it plays out. Boom, price tested the bottom here again. Now this has also confirmed to us that price is now moving on a downtrend, because price has broken below the previous low. But since we are projecting that price will trade in this channel, we want to look for buying opportunities at this level. Don't forget, you buy at support zones and you sell at resistance zone. I'm going to zoom in on this chart so you actually see what I'm seeing here too. Okay, right now this is what price have done. Immediately price broke above here, broke above this other red candle. Your entry would have been on the retest of that zone. So we do this. Normally this is what I'll do. I'll just pick this horizontal ray and plot it on the highs of that particular candle. Once I see price retest it, then I have my entry. So like now, price retested at this level, this other candle retested, so you got your entry there. Let's say you got your entry from there, from that level. And where will your stop loss be? Your stop loss will be at the previous candle's low here. That is where you place your stop loss, not here. If you should place your stop loss here, it is too wide and that will cost you more risk, so you placed it around here. So I'll take our stop loss to that point. Then where will your take profit be? Of course up there where we will have the previous swing. So you place your take profit there, and you see your risk to reward. Your risk to reward is nice. Alright, so that is our trade. Let's see what price is going to do. So we just took one trade from there, and boom, price hits our take profit. See, price hit our take profit from there. And price didn't just hit our take profit, it also gave us another signal to do what? To sell. Don't forget, you sell at resistance and you buy at support. So on this chart now, the trend line on top here is the resistance, and the trend line below here is the support. So I'm going to delete this since our trade have hit take profit, so it's going to be out. So we just made a profit now. So with this other signal here, an inverted hammer, you got the first inverted hammer, a rejection from that trend line, then another rejection again. This gives you signals that price is going to trend lower, so we take another trade. So let's say we take a sell trade from the current market price, which is here, and where will our stop loss be? Of course above those rejections above these wicks here. So that is where we place our stop loss. And where will your take profit be? Exactly below here, this level. And you see the risk to reward there. Nice trade, 1:4.63. So let's see what price is going to do from here. Yes, price push down. And boom, price have hit our take profit. So you can see price came up almost here, almost to take us out on stop loss, but we are not out on stop loss. We are still in the trade because price didn't close above this our stop loss. If price went above it, that is when we are going to be out of the market, but price just went close to it and also have what a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern there, drop down to where our take profit. So with this now, price is here already. We need to extend this. So this trade now is on profit and hits our take profit. So I'm going to delete this. So let's see what price is going to do further. So you now see price is now struggling at this area of support here. So if price is trading above this support level, all you need to do is look for buying opportunities. So we extend this our zone, can take it closer this way, and also extend this other one to this downside. You notice we have a little bit of overshoot here. Sometimes on when you're plotting this will happen. This is what we call a false breakout. So you ignore this. So right now, since price is trading around here, this is the current market price, you look for buying opportunities from here. So that is the simple strategy I want to show you. It's very good. You can use it on any time frame. Even if you are a day trader or a swing trader or maybe a long-term trader, you can use the trading strategy. All you need to do is just identify an emerging trend. When you see that first 3 points, that price is about moving, the first 3 points, that is when you start plotting out this channel. You trade in line with the trend. You don't go against the trend. Everything is sweet, very easy. You can use this on any time frame, either the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, the 4-hour, the 1-hour time frame. Just what you need to do is identify the first 3 swing lows and highs. From there, you start plotting your trend line. When you start plotting your trend line, don't rush into the trade. Just wait for price to come to you and approach these points first. If price reaches there and breaks out, just ignore it. Just know it's not valid. That is it. I'm going to show you another example, but before I show you this example, I want to tell you something. In trading, it's not just really about your strategy, your technique, your how should I put it, the indicators you are using. It's more of risk management and trading psychology, the way you think, the way you approach the market. And I've prepared a very nice video for you on risk management, the best ways you can manage your risks properly. If you would like to see the video, you want to have access to that video, you see a button below this video. Click on that button. It's going to take you to where you can access this video on risk management.